Hello guys, how to fix 0x80073d27 gaming services error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And the first workaround to fix this issue is update all your apps, installed apps. Go to Windows search, type a store and open Microsoft Store. Here click on library and click on get updates and finally choose update all. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to Windows settings. From the left pane, choose apps, installed apps, and here look for gaming services. In HP computer, it will find gaming hub. Click on three horizontal dot, advanced option, and repair the app. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. Choose repair. If this app is still not working, choose reset. The third workaround to fix this issue is reset Microsoft Store caches. Open run command box and here type wsreact.exe and it will clear all your Microsoft Store caches. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Look for a store troubleshoot. Go to Windows search and type a store troubleshoot and open find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Open it and Windows Store apps troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Choose next and let the window complete the process. It will not only detect the issue, resolve accordingly. That's all.